What's up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. And today's walkthrough tour, we're over here in Caswell County, North Carolina, and we're going to be walking through this beautiful Heartland 3 XL. All right, the Heartland 3 XL is at 2,089 square feet. You're going to see the original layout today, and what I mean by that is today's plan will feature 3 beds, a living room, and a secondary den. This plan can be optioned into a true 4-bedroom. You've seen videos of that too. The big thing to note with this exterior is this front porch is optional / built on site. So what you're seeing here is a 4x8 gable style front porch. Okay, you got the open vaulted ceiling there with a tongue and groove or beadboard ceiling up there, which I'll show you when we go up there. But long story short, you could do something different here, bigger here. You want to go 30 feet across, 8 feet deep, 10 feet deep, 40 feet across, 25 feet across. All that stuff is in play. I will walk you through all of your options along with that. Today's tour is featuring the Regatta Blue siding. This is one of the premium or upgraded colors for your siding options. Notice it is the horizontal side-to-side lap instead of your vertical. I would say the horizontal is going to be more affordable than the vertical siding, but if you want to do vertical, that's always an option. You are seeing some optional wood shutters on today's front elevation, okay? So just standard would just be that white frame molding around the windows. If you want to add shutters, they're optional. You could do your own later or whatever. And then last but not least, this home is sitting on our included split face block foundation, all right? And one other thing I'd point out is this customer did elect to go with the black gutters and downspouts. Along with that, you've been seeing a lot of the black exterior trim packages. This is just your normal or included white fascia, soffits, all that stuff. But like I said, they did add the black gutters. All right, so let's get around to the back of this house. I want to show you a few things back there. All right, so if you're looking at the front of the house, I am now on the left side. I'm actually standing in the driveway. I wanted to take you behind the house and show you this 24 by 24 carport. I get a lot of questions about carports. Yes, they're going to be a little bit more affordable than garages. Always an option on any plan. This is just like your front porch, okay? All this stuff on the back is built on site just like the front, so you can really take this stuff as far as you want to. But like I said, you've got a 24 by 24 carport here, which leads you directly into that utility room door. So that will be that first door right there on the right is going to take you right into the utility. And then what's unique about this is this actually opens up into like a covered patio type thing. So they continued the concrete slab. It's actually got a little step up there, which you can see, but you've got a nice covered patio, 10 by 20. They kind of followed that tongue and groove beadboard ceiling finish there. Really good stuff. Got the ceiling fan ready to go. Just super convenient. It makes sense. It really does. They've got a beautiful view back here of their property. They will enjoy this space for sure. So a 10 by 20 covered porch or covered patio, and then a 24 by 24 carport. All right, let's go back around and hop inside and take a look. All right, so I am back on the front porch now. I wanted to show you the detail in this front porch there. Got the tongue and groove ceiling tying in those wood shutters. I love how the wood looks with this Regatta Blue siding. Just a really attractive color scheme you got going on there. And let's get in here and check it out. So the first thing you're going to notice is this entertainment / feature wall. This may be one of the first times I've shown you this. I think I've shown it a few times, but not many, okay? So what you got going on here is a shiplap wall, sconce lighting on each side, floating shelves, and then to top it off, you've got that electric insert fireplace there. Okay, you can add just the shiplap, just the fireplace, just the sconce lighting, or all the above, kind of like you're seeing today, okay? I would note today's video is featuring the upgraded 9-foot ceilings. You would start with 8-foot ceilings included, and you would be paying extra for the 9. Again, the Heartland 3XL is at 2,089 square feet. Really nice and open concept here. Got your dining, kitchen, huge living room here. All right, so I'm gonna spin back around to that front door. You are seeing the optional beams in today's video as well. So you can add 2 or 3 or 4 beams. It doesn't have to be just in the living room. You can really apply those anywhere you would like. And then this living room, like we saw there, opens up very nicely into this dining and kitchen area. All right, so let's focus in on the kitchen for a second. Number 1, this is the alternate kitchen layout for the Heartland series, okay? So if you go pull up the Heartland 3XL, the original layout will not have this kitchen, okay? This is an optional kitchen. It's about $2,000. What you do is you pick up a double-sided island, so you've got true storage on both sides of this island here. You also pick up a corner cabinet, which includes a Lazy Susan. So long story short, this alternate kitchen is giving you some more cabinetry. And basically, if you like or want the hidden bootlegger pantry like we're seeing here, you would have to option in the alternate kitchen, okay? It is not gonna be an option in the included Heartland kitchen layout, okay? So you've got this hidden door leading you into the walk-in pantry. To my left in this pantry is an appliance shelf. So when we go back out in the kitchen, you're gonna see they elected to do a range hood over that range oven area. So if you're gonna do that, the appliance shelf is always a nice alternative option for that microwave. Notice the full backsplash. They didn't stop there. They actually ran it all the way to the ceiling like our Heartland model shows there in Burlington. Got the pot filler, beautiful upgraded range hood there. So we have 3 range hoods that are free. That is one of the upgraded options. Included cabinet color. You are seeing granite tops throughout today, okay? I did want to point that out. All right. Big double pot and pan drawer there on any island. I feel like I show that in every video, but moving on to the dining. The main thing I like to focus on in these dining rooms is, generally speaking, if you want that door off the dining room, it's going to be extra. Okay, you would have your utility room door and your front door included. The third door in general is going to be optional. They went with an atrium door here, so this side operates, this side is fixed, acting as a big window, and then that opens up to that covered patio area. When you go into doors here, you know, you could do a single door, double door, French door. We've got that triple door option now. All types of stuff you could do there. All right. So let's go down this hallway and check out the secondary den and the extra bedrooms. So when I go down the hallway, first stop on the right is going to be this utility room. Really nice size, good spot for the washer and dryer. You've got outlets for freezers, spot for places for hall trees, more outlets on this wall here. So you can really have fun with this space. And then that opens up to that carport that we were talking about. All right. Got your included 2-panel doors. The 5 panel where there's 5 rectangles going down, up and down, that is the option there. The 2 panels included. You are seeing the black hardware package. So all your finishes, knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, light fixtures, all that's black. Okay, so if you didn't go in the utility room and kept going straight, that's going to lead you into the secondary den, or where the 4th bedroom can be. And then this little area here leads you to your secondary bath and secondary bedrooms. First time I've seen anybody put a barn door here. It makes sense, you know, if you got kids or whatever, they want some privacy, shut that off. You got people hanging out in the den, they're going to sleep in here, shut it off type thing. Makes sense. So straight ahead is bath 2. Again, the granite tops today. You're going to see the fancy lighted mirrors in the primary bathroom, but not in bath 2. So if you want those fancy mirrors but don't want to spend the money in the bath 2, there you go. That's always an option. And then you've got bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. One thing I would note, on the Heartland plans, especially the smaller ones, a single window is all that would be included in the secondary bedrooms. So on the smaller plans like the Heartland 1, you know, let's just say you would have to add that second window to have a double window in the spare bedrooms. Now on the bigger plans like this Heartland 3XL, these bedrooms are to the point as far as size where the double window is actually required by code. So you wouldn't necessarily have to add it in this plan. But if you're going with one of those smaller Heartland plans and you want the double windows in the spare bedrooms, you would need to add that. You are seeing the wood shelving throughout today, so no wire shelving today. That is an option that we can actually get from, you know, already done, installed. You don't have to fool around with the on-site stuff. But if you want to go that direction, you can. All right, so let's go back across that main space. And check out that primary master suite. Kind of tying in the shiplap in the living room. They did a shiplap wall in this master bedroom. Nice walk-in closet. And then on to the master bath. So you are seeing the optional 4x6 shower today. Along with that, they went ahead and framed it out for a true water closet, but it is accessed by the bifold barn door. Okay, so that bifold barn door is going to take you to your toilet room, water closet room, a light with an exhaust fan, and then back to that 4x6 shower. A few things they added that would be extra: the soap box, and they ran, or the shampoo box, and they ran the tile to the ceiling. So believe it or not, the rain head and the handheld is included. The ceramic tile is included, but to run that tile to the ceiling is extra. They didn't add any extra can lights. You would just have one can light just like that. One other thing that a lot of people add that this customer did not is that 4-foot transom window. Okay, that's about a $500 option that can be put in these showers. This customer did not do that. But as you can see, something that's very different about this shower is this actually got a ceramic pan. So a lot of my videos feature the fiberglass pan. There you've got a real ceramic shower pan, which what that does is allow you to have a 0 entry shower. So as you can see right there, no lip shower going in. Really nice. There's your granite tops, your lighted mirrors that I talked about. And then you got your big linen cabinet there. All the cabinetry, full extensions, soft close, the real deal. All right. All right, so that is it for today, guys. We just walked through a custom Heartland 3XL at 2,089 square feet. You got to see a feature or entertainment wall. You saw the hidden bootlegger pantry. You saw a carport, a covered patio, all types of cool things in today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. New videos every Monday and Thursday. Make sure to turn those alerts on so you know when I put those new videos out. But every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions, all the likes, comments. Take care.